Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And in today's video, we're actually going to be looking at mileage and secrets, whether or not it makes sense to have multiple products in your follow-up series or not, what's converting best for me. I wanted to give you the insights. I've been using mileage and secrets since March of this year, but I've known about mileage and secrets for a long time. There's a specific strategy that I follow. That's the reason why I got into this. So I'm going to hop on my laptop and share with you guys more, but I'm excited on Mondays to come out with these videos. So if you are interested, make sure that you do stay tuned because I'm going to be sharing how you can actually get more of these videos and help you in your affiliate marketing journey. Have a great day. Let's hop onto my computer and share with you more. Perfect. So here I am on my laptop. And before I go ahead and share with you exactly first of all, what mileage and secrets is, what you can do with it, and whether it makes sense to have multiple offers or not. This is really a crucial side of my entire business. I want to share the purpose of why I use mileage and secrets in the first place. Guys, I am David Pinder. They also call me Tips with Dave. I've been an affiliate marketer for a long time on the side, full time as well, but also on the side. And right now I'm doing it on the side. I do have a full-time job, but I'm following a strategy that is a very simple strategy. I've known mileage and secrets since 2019, but I got started now in 2023. Why did I take so much time to get started? Because I wanted to make sure that it did have a clear idea. There were lots of ups and downs. I had to concentrate on many other things before I got into this strategy, but finally I'm doing it. And what I want to share with you in this video is that there are two steps. Okay, you can see in this whole strategy, I talk about it in another playlist, so I'm not going to get into it on this video, but there's step one, which is a cash flow generating step, and step two is on the traffic. So let me go ahead. Sorry if I look that side. My dog is just there. I'm making sure that she's okay. But what I wanted to actually share with you today is whether it makes, as you can see in step one, there's mileage and secrets leads to an offer that makes you sales. That is my purpose behind mileage and secrets, is to use it as a traffic source and to make sales. It is not to get commitments, not to get more leads to my email list. It is immediately to get a sale. Why? Because I leverage that sale to advertise then and build my list. So that's how I am leveraging it. I'm leveraging that result to actually fund my entire whole process. So this is how I use it. Obviously, other people will say, and I'm going to be talking about that also today, you can use it also build your list and have multiple sales on the back end. So let's go ahead and share with you first and foremost what mileage and secrets is. So mileage and secrets, in my opinion, solves two problems, because the product that they have is that they generate 100 to 200 leads every single day, and they offer 100 to 200 leads to you every single day. That is the only thing that they promise, that they're giving you these leads. Once you accept it, the sales of those leads, that's up to you as a marketer. That's up to us to make sure that we're emailing every day and also converting those emails. This is not on them. This is on us, converting those emails to actually sales for our products that we want to do sell as an affiliate marketer, make money online, whether it is digital products and so on and so forth. Not every niche is applicable with these 100 leads, but specifically in the affiliate marketing space, you can find a lot of products, whether it's ClickBank products, whether it's Warrior Plus products. I personally use Warrior Plus products. It's really up to you what you want to do with this entire strategy. So that's what they're offering you. And I believe, in my opinion, it solves two problems. You see, with affiliate marketing, guys, the fundamental skill sets that are needed is advertising. So knowing how to bring leads, these 100 leads every single day to your page, right? So that's one thing, advertising. And the second thing is copywriting. So writing emails, but not only emails, but also copy for your landing page, copy for your bridge page, copy in general for a blog, for a Facebook post. Copywriting is pretty important. Now, obviously, you can leverage tools like ChatGPT and have this work for you, but always putting your own personality in, always putting yourself and your story in the midst is going to make you unique. It's going to allow you to stand out, and it's going to allow you to get results. It's how I am personally getting results every single week with mileage and secrets. Yes, I get sales every week. And if you guys want to see more of those sales, I mean, just feel free to join the Facebook group that we have for the members. Let me just go ahead and share this with you so that you can actually see. I have also very frequently, I actually have one post that is pending, as you can see right here, which is basically a post that is going to go out, but it's within 4 days, another 2 sales have come in. So I have more than 50 published posts. All of these are, you can see, all sales. And every single week I post at least once or twice. So you will get at least a weekly post in this group from me to show you the consistency. That's the whole point for me, to show you the consistency. So let's go ahead. And as I said, that is what mileage and secrets is. And this is how you can leverage it. So those two skill sets My Legion Secrets solves the problem of both. One, it's giving you 100 leads. So advertising, it's already solving your problem. You're not going out and searching. You're not spending money to search for them. You're not spending time to search for these leads. You're getting these access to these leads immediately every single day. So that's one. The second thing is that it's giving you a possibility to email those leads every day, and that allows you to improve your copywriting skills. So these are the two improvements, in my opinion, or problems that they solve. And it costs $60 the first month and then $30 after that. So it's really up to you if you want to get started or not. If you do, I'm going to leave a link in the description. I do not care, to be honest, if somebody joins me in My Legion Secrets or not. I'm happy when they do join, but it's not a necessity for me because I will be using this this tool, this traffic, this product, come what may, just because of the kind of strategy that I have. So whether I have referrals or not, this video is pure documentation of what I'm doing. That is it in a nutshell. Now, whether or not you should send multiple offers. So let me go ahead and actually go and sign into My Legion Secrets. Okay, so My Legion Secrets. Okay, guys, so I'm logged into My Legion Secrets, and I just wanted to share with you specifically what I do so that you can see. I'm going to show you the last email that I sent so that it's clear. I have this email that goes out, and as you can see, I have one link here and then a second link here. Now, let me tell you that already within this link, this is something that I've tested out already. So I'm going to be sharing with you whether one product, two products, three products, whatever it is, whether it makes sense or not. But you have to test it out yourself because it might work for me. It doesn't work for you. It changes. You can see right here, this is one link and this is a second link. They're two different links, but they are offers that are congruent or complement the other. There are two offers that complement the other. So this is very important for me to know that I'm sharing offers that complement each other and not two different offers. But sometimes I have one, sometimes I have two. And let me share with you my experience. So I want to keep this video as concise as possible because I know that there are members from My Legion Secrets also watching these videos, and I would like to give them the tips also regarding this. So the strategy is simple. I'm not going to go into the strategy or share with you guys any more about the strategy, but I'm going to be talking to you about the product itself. So in my opinion, there are two ways to go about this. As you can see from the first way, as you can see from my specific strategy, it is to get a sale, right? Remember, know your purpose. It is to get a sale. So I send a link to an offer straight away. As you can see in this last video, I sent it to two offers, different offers. Now, what I can tell you already, because I've used this email before, this is the second time I'm using this email actually. I've used this email before, and I always have seen a sale with one offer specifically. So what do I mean by that? I mean, if I change, because people have to get used to the different offers that you're sending, right? So if you stick to one offer, the consistency is higher. If you change those offers consistently, then it's not that you will not get a sale, but the frequency does change, in my opinion. That's what I've seen myself. Like, for example, I use My Legion Secrets, and this is honestly, in my opinion, I use My Legion Secrets for a launch of a new product that one of my key products that I have. He was basically, the vendor of that product was creating another product, and I wanted to do campaign. So he had two releases. Both those releases, I only use My Legion Secrets. One, I made 2 sales, 3 sales immediately. The other, it took some time before I made the sale because my audience was already, or the leads from My Legion Secrets were already used to me sharing in a specific way. And so changing the product too much doesn't help. Or on the weekends, for example, I was sharing another product and I have not made a high commission sale in that product. It's a high commission, it's a high ticket offer. So I have not made a high ticket sale in that, but I still am doing it. And I want to see how long it takes before I get those sales. So that's something that I'm testing out a lot of offers, a lot of things, a lot of different elements. But the point, what I'm trying to mention right here is, majority of my time, the way I get sales consistently every single week is because I focus on one offer. The second thing is that usually the leads from My Legion Secrets choose which offer to buy. So for example, or they will click here and they'll get this first offer, or they will click here and get the second offer. They will not get both. Okay, so never expect that you're going to make a sale from both offers. It might be either one. So this is something that you can have multiple offers in your email. I have also tried, for example, bonus 1 and bonus 2 and bonus 3, and then people choose. In all honesty, just choose, maybe alternate your offers as you wish. That's something that you can do. Another strategy, and this is quite a cool strategy, I definitely will give credit to. Another strategy, which is already also in the group. So you can see that the members in this group, we are kind of sharing and helping each other out, right? So let me just scroll down to share about this strategy, but I believe it is, where is it? Right here. Wanted to share an idea about you guys, etc. One that you can add or multiply over plus offers. So basically have it like a rotator. So what Matthew is doing, and I'm going to give shout out to you, Matthew, because I think you need to know that I'm giving you the shout out. But as I said, Matthew, for example, is doing it in a very smart way. In the smart way, in the sense that he is firstly collecting the lead. I'm going to tell you why I personally don't do it, but obviously he is doing it this way. So which is good. Okay, this is really up to your purpose. I'm going to repeat and say it always. It depends on your purpose of what you want to achieve from my lead gen secrets. I told you my personal purpose is that I want to make a cash immediately. I don't care about the leads being on my email list. I don't care about that. I want to make commissions because I use those commissions and leverage to actually build my list. So it's not going to waste me making those commissions. I'm actually, instead of getting one person and one sale, I'm leveraging that sale to actually purchase, even if I don't collect a lead, to get 30 leads. So I'm multiplying that by 30 by using the commission. So I'm not bothered about one or two of those leads from my lead gen secrets, to be honest. That's just me personally, right? So that's why I don't follow the strategy, but Matthew, for example, does, which is quite a cool thing. So basically what he does is he sends an email out, which will go to a page like this. Okay, it's a very generic page and not exactly the same, but let's say it's a generic page or landing page like this, and person enters their email address. When they click on confirm, what will happen is it will take them to a thank you page. Let's just put, thank you page just so that you see. Let's say this is the first offer. When they come here to this page, which is not a thank you page, it is basically a sales page. So when they click on the confirm button, there are two things that happen for Matthew. The first thing is that they enter into his email list. That's a good thing, right? They enter into his email list. And secondly, he has created, and he's using a free software called Leads Leap. You can also do that as well. I personally use System.io, but System.io doesn't have Rotator a link. Leads Leap does. So you can go ahead and use Leads Leap, for example. Leads Leap will give you that Rotator link, and you can create it in such a way that when they click on that button, they enter into your email list. So that's the first thing. You can multiply it by sending your offers, sending your own emails, pretty much whatever you want with that lead, right? And at the same time, you're using multiple offers. So when they go to this page, this is the first offer. If they go to this page again, boom, they get not taken to the first offer, but they get taken to a second offer or a third offer or a fourth offer. So that changes. If you have top 3 or 4 offers, products that you want to sell, then you just add it to this Rotator link. You send one link. You're not sending the Rotator link. You're sending the link to the page like this. Remember, because there are two things that are crucial here for you guys to understand with the strategy. One is my lead gen secrets, if you use Rotator links, doesn't allow you to send an email. I've tried this in the past. So for example, I have a Rotator on Linkly. Okay, I use Linkly as my Rotator. It's a free Rotator that I personally use, and I use it for not my lead gen secrets, but another platform that is just, if I get sales here, I'm happy. If I don't, it doesn't bother me. It's just something that's there running for me. So I use Linkly, for example, and I tried to add a Linkly to my lead gen secrets and do this similar strategy. But my lead gen secrets has their own tracking and has their own software, and they recognize when it's a Rotator link. However, if it is a landing page like you are sending here, then it's okay. Why? Because you're giving them one purpose. You're not sending them multiple links or anything like that. They enter the email address, and only after they click confirm now, then they get multiple offers each time. So if that person refreshes the page, they'll get a second offer, or maybe some leads you'll get a sale in one offer, and some other leads resonate with another offer, and so you might get 2 or 3 sales from that one email. So it's really up to you how to do it. I think these 2 strategies are the best way to understand how many products you can actually sell with my lead gen secrets. But I honestly, personally, my opinion, don't deviate from one product a lot. The reasoning behind this is very simple. For me, get successful with one product, then move to others. If you're not successful with one product, then don't move to others. It's as simple as that for me. So I choose very carefully. I stick with my product. I stick with the whole purpose. I purchase the product firstly, and I then share it with other people. So I stick to that consistently. So even though this last email, for example, has 2 different products, they're actually, and I'll show you, this is the product that I'm sharing, which should go to super affiliate for you. So this is by Ben Fletcher. This is one product, costs $24.95 right now. Before it was cheaper. Okay. And if I go back to the page and I show you the first offer is also by Ben Fletcher. but it is called Affiliate Marketing on Crack. So it's another product by the same vendor. I'm not changing products. I'm not changing vendors. It's all under the same umbrella. If they log into the membership of EPC Fire, they'll have access to, if they buy both these products, they'll have access to both these products. So it's one hub that they're getting. And I always try to think of the person who's actually buying these kind of offers, whether it makes sense. Me, myself, when I bought it, what makes sense for me. So that's personally how I look at it. I hope I shared enough views, enough thoughts. Again, if you want to follow this strategy that I am following, links are in the description to my Facebook group, to a My Legion Secrets playlist, to the My Legion Secrets if you want to get it, to the entire strategy. And if you need anything, feel free to comment, let me know below, and definitely join my Facebook group if you want that. You do have to answer some questions. Once you do answer those questions, I'll let you in, and then we can take it from there. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. Cheers.